Well, here we are at the 2025 Sligo Summer School, or South Sligo Summer School, final concert of the year. Hope you enjoy it, and I hope you feel the same way about Irish music as we do. It's absolutely fantastic. The South Sligo Summer School was founded here in Tubbercurry in 1987. The aim of the school is to conserve and promote the traditions of music, song and dance for which the area is famous. The school offers a full range of classes, workshops, talks, ceilithes, recitals and of course concerts like this. The school is open to all ages, but it is best known for encouraging the young, many of whom become teachers themselves as they get older. Particular emphasis is placed on teaching the Sligo style of fiddle and flute playing. So come along with us as we give you a taste of the end concert of the 39th annual South Sligo Summer School. We begin this evening with two ladies showcasing both skillful flute playing and Irish music. And now three instruments that feature heavily in Irish music: the flute, the concertina and the bodhrán. Lily on the bones and Aisling on bodhrán are joined by this little mite, a star in the making.
We're going to do two reels, one called The Mountain Road and the other called The Pigeon on the Gate.
Now a flute and accordion played expertly. Another group of talented young musicians, and we meet our first fiddle and harp. Two very Irish things, singing and lilting. Lilting is simply singing without words.
You may sing or speak about history or the neighborhoods of 98 of Fenian men who roam the glen in victory or defeat.
Reach the gumbos, we are fighting on rap at the heart that we are fighting on rap at the Cussack we learn, we are fighting on rap at the Jolly Rock Cross and they're fighting on rap at the fight for the law, fight for the landio, fight for the law, fight for the landio.
Two young students on the tin whistle and bodhrán. This is what the school is all about. Traditional Irish dancing needs great skill and isn't always with a stiff upper body as in river dance. Cueva is a great fiddle player, and her singing, not heard this year, isn't too shabby either. Anyone who doesn't like Scottish bagpipes should listen to this. It's so very different. Weaver back again with two other fiddlers. Wait for the rare instrument at the end. Banjos were only introduced into traditional Irish music in the mid-20th century. See if you can listen to this without tapping your foot. The school is primarily associated with youngsters, but the more mature also have their place.
Love not in shade. Now the times have changed since I have left. Dark heads have now turned grey. New faces rise by every heart, but the old ones fade away. This mournful song of exile, 'tis all that's left for me. Farewell, farewell to Carramore on the hill of Knocknashade.
We hope you enjoyed our musical adventure at the 39th Summer School. We've only just scratched the surface of what is a week-long musical extravaganza, and we're already looking forward to the 40th next year. Please like, subscribe, turn on notifications and leave us a comment. Also, if you can, please support the channel using Buy Me a Coffee. The link's in the description and the QR code is in vision. Well, that concludes tonight's entertainment. It's been a fantastic night, just the same as it was last year. Finished a little earlier this year though, and perhaps we're not quite so much of a crescendo at the end, but it was still thoroughly enjoyable. So before I run out of big words like crescendo, we'll say goodbye and onwards and upwards.